Hi everyone, let us discuss this example of series. Okay, so what is the series we have? I will rewrite the series here again. Okay, I will write the series, this series. So this is our given series. Okay, so I will try to express in a form of summation. Okay, this is nothing but summation n running from 1 to infinity. We have to formulate it. Okay, so did you notice denominator is always a square of some number? 4 square of 2, 9 square of 3, 16 square of 4. So obviously we have a square. So I will take n plus 1 square. So if you put n is equal to 1, you will have 2 square 4, n is equal to 2, 3 square 9 in this way. What do you think about numerator? So numerators are all odd numbers, right? First odd number is 1, next 3, 5, 7, 9. First is missing, so I will take here 2n plus 1. Okay, so that means we can express this series in this way also. Okay, so that means what is a here? N means whatever inside the summation, that is our n. 2n plus 1 upon n plus 1 bracket square, right? So this is our series. So see, we have to discuss this convergence. So what will I do? I am going to use limit comparison test. So to use limit comparison test, we need to require one more series. So I am considering one more series here. See, I am considering series summation bn. So bn I will take here 1 by n. Okay, so normally see which so maybe you will get confused which series we have to take, how to decide which series we have to take. So normally we have to take a series whose convergence or divergence we can easily find. Okay, so 1 by n we can easily find its convergence or divergence. So that's why I have taken this 1 by n. So now what I'm going to find, you know that in limit comparison test always we find limit n tends to infinity, we first calculate n upon bn. We are going to calculate this one. Okay, so see, according to that, whatever the limit, according to that we will decide the series converges or diverges. So this is equal to limit n tends to infinity. What is our n? N is this one, so I will write here 2n plus 1 upon n plus 1 bracket square. What is bn? Bn is 1 by n. See, this n is in denominator of denominator, so it will shift to the numerator. So I will write here, so limit n tends to infinity n to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 bracket square, right? So this is equal to limit n tends to infinity, I will multiply, so 2n square plus n divided by, I will expand this bracket, n square plus 2n plus 1. So do you know how to solve such limits? So see, we have a polynomial in n of degree 2 at numerator and we have polynomial of degree 2 in denominator. So I will divide numerator and denominator by n square. So limit n tends to infinity, 2n square plus n, I am dividing numerator by n square as well as I am dividing denominator by n square. Tell me what will I get? Limit n tends to infinity. If you divide separately, 2 plus 1, here if you divide n by n square, 1n will get cancelled, you will have 1 by n. If you divide separately, 1, 2 by n, 1 by n square if you divide separately. So see, if you apply the limit now, so n infinity, if you put 1 upon infinity, is 0. So this is simply 2 plus 0, 1 plus, there these two terms have a n in denominator, no? So their values will be 0 and what we get? 2. So therefore I will rewrite this thing again. Therefore what is the value of limit? 2, and which is greater than 0. So now I will show you what is the statement of limit comparison test. Limit comparison test says, so we supposed to find limit first, and if it is greater than 0, see here also we have got greater than 0, so that's why we can apply the first sentence, that summation n and summation bn both converge or both diverge together. That means if one series is convergent, obviously second is also convergent, or if one series is divergent, obviously second series is also divergent. Okay, so what do you think about bn? So bn is a divergent series, and now I will clearly mention this thing. So here summation n running from 1 to infinity bn, which is equal to 1 by n, is a p series. Do you know what is p series? P series means summation 1 upon n raised to p. This is p series. So with, what is p here? What is power of n? 1, no? So p is also 1. So when you have p greater than 1, then only it is convergent, otherwise divergent. So this is p series with p is equal to 1. Therefore summation bn, that means this series is divergent series. So as summation bn diverges, by limit comparison test summation a also diverges. So by limit comparison test we can write that summation an summation n, that means a given series. So that is nothing but summation, I will write given series 2n plus 1 upon n plus 1 bracket square is divergent series. Okay, in this way we solve this example. Thank you.